let you guys know that this video is sponsored by our friends over at Manscaped. We've got renewed for another season, so expect to see a lot more from them. Thank you guys at Manscaped for sponsoring this video and for helping us achieve goals like this. And thank you all of you for buying their products, using our code. Because of that, we're still sponsored by it. So let's keep it going. If you need any at all kind of Manscaped products, don't use the same razor up here that you do for down there. Get a clean shave with that quiet stroke technology. Has an LED light on it. My wife is giggling on it because she likes it. She likes that word, but she really enjoys everything about the product. You got ear and nose trimmers. You got fall deodorant. You got fall rejuvenators. They got underwear. They got shirts. They even got cologne now. I'm telling you, if you've never had it before, you've never experienced it, get the entire package. It's called the Performance Package. You get everything you could possibly need in one box. And you get 20% off plus free shipping. Again, that's 20% off free shipping. Go blow it up. Go get yourself some product. Get it for your friends, your family, your dad, your brother. I've even had a couple of female friends actually buy them, and they actually enjoy it too. So just go out, get as much as you can, because I'm telling you, it's the best product on the market. I would not be sponsored by them if they were not. So all you have to do is just use that code, save some money, get the best products that you possibly can. And thank you, Manscaped, again, for sponsoring this video.
Everybody can use a little quiet stroke technology.
Quiet stroke technology. What's up, everybody? My name is JR, aka the Sinister Camaro, and welcome to another video. Welcome to the channel. Thank you guys for joining me on this very short and very simple video, but I figured it would help you a lot because it may help you spruce up another part of your car that you may not like I do. Now, as you've heard me say before, there are parts of this car that are cool, like a bright white, and there are other parts like the reverse lights, trunk lights, stuff like that, that are like a nasty yellow. I don't like it. New cars should definitely come with the bright white version now. It's been long enough. It's LEDs, it's low power, it's a lot better. What we're gonna do today is basically transform the trunk light from yellow into white. I'll give you a before and after of what it's gonna be like before the install, after install, how to install, what bulbs I used, everything like that's gonna be covered in this video. So sit back, relax. I hope it really helps you figure out what you wanna do with your car as far as just something small like this, but makes a big difference in our mind. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so here's the bulb that we're gonna be using. This is the Diode Dynamics HP3 LED bulb. Very simple, easy little bulb. It has 6 LEDs, it looks like on those yellow pieces at the top. 6 LEDs, so it's gonna be super bright. We went for the cool white version. The other one had a little bit more blue than I hoped for, and of course you can get in other different colors too, so check them out. I'll leave a link in the description where I got this, so you can get one for your car too. But it should be an easy plug and play kind of thing. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like right now, how to install, and then see what it looks like after. All right, so this is what it looks like right now. This is with all of my lights off. Well, most of my lights off, but this is the nasty yellow. I mean, it's got pretty good coverage. It looks pretty good. I got a big, nice trunk to deal with. Got some junk in there. Please don't mind the mess. But I mean, I just feel like it could be just a little bit better. All right, so looking from top to bottom, you want a flat head of some kind to get the plastic shield off of it. So you just come up here. You can see it right there, right in the middle. So this light right here is what we're gonna need. There's only one of them. If you look on the sides right here and right here, you'll have a little notch missing like underneath. Just put your little Phillips head right there and you should be able to pry it out. All right, so I got my flathead in that spot I told you about. What I'm gonna do is just flip it back, just twist it a little bit and it pops out. Once it pops out, you can just remove it like that. All right, so I don't know if you can see it or not, but what we're gonna do to make it easier for ourselves is there a little latch point up here. It's a little dark to see. And of course my focus wants to be hard to deal with. But if you see the top here, you've got right where the tip of my thumb is, that's a little push point. Push that inwards towards the wires and this whole clear piece with the bulb will come out, and that way you can actually do it without burning your hand in my case. All right, so just push the pin in and pull down, and just like that, now we have the bulb out. All right, so now that our bulb is free, this is a little plastic housing that came in. We just need that bulb part right there pulled out. Just like that. So what I did was I came in the split here, used my flat head again, and I just pushed it down until the bulb came out. So there's your nice stock bulb. Here you go. Here is the brand new bulb that we'll be putting in. Now the thing about LEDs, if you haven't seen any of my videos before, they have two polarities. So one works, one doesn't. So if you have that case with LEDs, let's say you plugged it in this way, next time you try it, spin it, turn it around, and plug it in here. One of those ways you should get the light to work. So just just flip it one time if it doesn't work. Don't get frustrated or anything like that. And that way, make sure you do what you need. So we're gonna do the same thing we did to put the bulb back in that we did to take it out, but without the flathead. So we're gonna put it in that little carrier, and we're gonna push it down until it's nice and snug and it's sitting at the bottom. That way your metal pieces kind of touch here and it will illuminate the light on the bulb. So that's what we need. Then next we're gonna take our little plug that we had before and plug it back in. Boom, we got it right the first time, yay! So once you do that, you're just gonna put it like it did before with it flat like it was. Your wire goes towards the driver's side and your passenger side's the free area. But you basically slide everything up in there. One side's gonna be in, then you push, and then it clips in place. And now we've got a bright white trunk light. So let's see if that's any better, worse, or indifferent. All right, and here's what it looks like now. Definitely a cleaner look to it. I'll put some pictures side by side so you can actually see the difference. But it has like a nice cool white look to it, which I know it's the name of it, but it actually is a cool white. It's not too overbearing, it's not too light, it's just right. It's a perfect amount of light. I feel like it looks a whole lot cleaner, a lot newer. It makes the car look a whole lot better, personally. But let me know in the comments down below, would you do something like this? Do you like doing stuff like this, or do you think it's a complete waste of money and not to do it? I'd like to know. So just leave me a comment down below. And there we have it, it's all done. It's that easy, it's that simple. I know it's a short video and the topic is kind of boring, but that's a great addition that I love to add. I have a red one in my SS to go with the theme for that. For this one, I kind of want more of a nice, cool look to it. I left the white in there, and I think it's worth it. I think it's great. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If it helps in any way, shape, or form, please leave a like button. It does help my videos very much, and share with your friends and family, maybe somebody else with a 6th gen. This bulb should work for basically any 6th gen. Doesn't have to be a ZL1, SS, or anything like that. All trunk bulbs should be the same. Go on the website, Diode Dynamics, and trust me, they'll work it out and have everything you need. If you have any questions with that, be sure to drop a question for them for support. But they make great products, and I do support them. They're not sponsoring this channel or anything, but it's a great addition. So hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you have a great day. Hope to see you on the channel again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that stuff. And don't forget, always remember, stay sinister.
Perfect.